I have a chair full of things to show you today and to talk about, but we're going to talk about the topic of how we can dress fashionably and chicly on a budget, affordably, because we are all going to be affected by recent economic announcements. So I would imagine we're all looking at our pennies and our cents now. Now I'm standing here in an Amazon Essentials t-shirt. They come as a pack of 2. I've had this probably about 6-7 years, worn it a lot. It's in my everyday pile of clothes for, shopping, housework, that kind of thing. Does it look like it's lost its shape? Does it look like it's faded? Does it look like the seams are no longer here but are down here and twisted? No, that is a side seam. That is the other side seam. It's not lost its shape at the hem. Amazon Essentials t-shirt, packs of 2. They still do them. Absolutely fantastic value, and I'll come on more to Amazon later on. Dress it up with some jewellery, earrings and so on, and no one knows you are wearing an Amazon t-shirt. And there's nothing wrong with wearing an Amazon t-shirt. Now we want to look our best when we are shopping affordably, and one of the ways to look our best very cheaply for a lot of us is to have thick, bouncy, vibrant hair. But for some of us, we absolutely really do suffer in that regard and have thinning hair and problems. And so coming up to a little section now that iRESTORE are sponsoring, and they are introducing to you their new hair growth device called the Elite. Look at all of those LEDs and lasers inside. There's 500. Really simple to use. You just pop it on your head. There you go. We have the control. We have the battery pack charged. Attach the control to the battery pack, and then we can see that the battery pack's fully charged there. There's 4 blue lights. And turn it on. It's going to start at 12. It is 12 minutes. You're going to be using this every day. 12 minutes, self times. So we're going to just start. Now, why 500 lasers, LEDs? What does infrared do? LEDs cover a broader area on the head. Lasers cover a circular, smaller portion. The combination of both is meaning that we're getting fuller coverage. The laser is low level and FDA cleared technology. So red light therapy stimulates circulation, which helps follicles grow. It increases blood flow so nutrients are more readily available. It helps keep hair on the head for longer, reducing shedding. iRESTORE tell us that we should see results within 3 to 6 months. The layout of the lasers and the LEDs covers male and female hair pattern loss. You can have it on your head while you're walking around. I'm here walking around, I've got it on. The battery pack is just attached to my pocket. I can do the video in front of you here, standing around, walking around with the device on my head. Now you may think, well, Anne-Marie, you've got lovely thick hair. I haven't always, but my disclaimer is I have not used a device to regrow it. But I know the pain because I went through it. I went through months of my hair shedding. It's also incredibly coarse because follicles are so badly drained of nutrients. Dry, coarse, wiry, what you've got left. Bald patches on the back. So this device actually with the LEDs and lasers here, covering female pattern loss, actually does cover here, as well as around the front and the top and the sides. I was moving my parting around, because it gets thin where the parting is. So I was wearing headbands, wrapping scarves around headbands, because you lose the height. Your hair really is your crowning glory. And I've got a discount for you as well, which will be listed down in the description box with a link. So thank you very much to iRESTORE. I'm going to keep this on while I carry on talking about my next point. Because it's just, why take it off? It feels good on my head, to be honest. Anyway, Vinted in the UK. Look at Vinted. It's straightforward, user-friendly, filled with brands you recognise. You can just do a search easily on Marks and Spencer's, on Bowden, on H&M, on Jigsaw, on Joules, and you'll find pieces. Do a search also with your size, easy. The system provides a label to the seller, so you don't even have that faff. But what you do when you're setting up your account is just put in the collection points that are near you, whether that's every Yodel, the post office, whichever you can easily access. And I've actually got a Vinted account and I'm having a big of a clear out at the moment, so I'm constantly putting things up there, so keep an eye on my Vinted. And if you want to sell, because you're having a clear out, there's no seller fees. I think for us women over 50, Vinted is relatable, it's easy, user-friendly, and we can find the brands we wear. So what have I bought on Vinted? Well, I bought these chinos. When I lost weight, I needed to buy and replace my clothes, and so I thought, well, I'll just go and replace them by finding the same thing on Vinted. So these are some Marks & Spencer's chinos. I also got this lovely navy blouse from Cabby. Because Cabby's an American brand that I actually like, but it's very expensive. So I look up Cabby occasionally on Vinted and pick up a piece. I love that little tie neck top. Another pair of chinos that I got off of Vinted is these Marks & Spencer's pink ones. Mint velvet jeans I got from there as well. In the States, you've got Depop. I don't know much about Depop. It's apparently, from what I understand, quite trendy. You've got a young vibe, lots of vintage pieces, bold prints, kind of a 90s to year 2K fashion vibe. It's visual, a bit like shopping on Instagram, apparently. Now, quality cotton basics. I think we all need those, like these essentials t-shirts. We need these basics that are going to last for years, and I discovered some fantastic ones that either singles. Oh, there's my iRESTORE going off. Finished. It's finished, you see. It just stops. I don't need to worry about it going over time. So that's it. That's done. And then you just do 12 minutes every day. I think we all need some quality neutral basics, and I found that H&M are absolutely fantastic for those as well. Sometimes singles, sometimes packs of 2, cotton, and reasonable prices. We don't need to spend £30 for a quality t-shirt. We don't. We can go to H&M. Marks & Spencer's is the same. Some of their t-shirts do vary in quality. I mentioned it recently in a video that the most expensive ones I returned because I wasn't happy with the quality. The cheapest one at £6.50, lovely V-neck white t-shirt, I kept £6.50 cotton t-shirt. Now I'm going to put a link down below because I did do a search at Marks & Spencer's of quality items that are at a reasonable price, and for the UK I'm going to put that link down for you. And in the US I found at Quince some cotton basics, some lovely t-shirts in a colour, but also in your neutrals like white, your navy and other neutrals as well. $15. And I'll link in the description box the search that I used to find these. Uniqlo's another brand that's fantastic for reasonable quality cotton basic. And I actually, a few years ago, bought my favourite summer bag from there. Ivory bag. Now, when do you think I bought that? It's lovely and clean, isn't it? Lovely and fresh. Yep, 2 summers ago. And it's been on holiday with me abroad. Been around London, been out and about, doing things. And at the end of summer, I just wash it by hand. It says it shouldn't be washed, but I washed it and I haven't had a problem with it. And I love it so much. The following summer, what did I do? I was passing a Uniqlo store in Oxford Street. And so I could not help but go in and have a wander around and found one in blue and a straw one. And those bags are available, around the world where there's a Uniqlo. In the UK, they're £14.90. They're just across, you can adjust the straps, you can wear it as a shoulder bag. I'm going to link that bag for the UK and the USA. And I'm also going to link for the UK and USA a search link for other reasonable priced Uniqlo pieces like t-shirts and so on. Now, looking at Amazon Essentials, we were talking about my t-shirt earlier from Amazon Essentials. I so recommend Amazon Essentials. Some of the key pieces I have found, such as some lovely dresses, some linen blouses, some beautifully shaped tops with some design as well as your basics, I'm going to put into my Amazon stores. I've got a store that is one for the USA, one for Canada, and also one for the UK. Open up the link I'll put in the description box and you'll find some lovely, reasonable priced items that I've recently found. I did look at Nordstrom. I have created a search link of reasonably priced pieces for the US from Nordstrom, but I didn't find that much. A lot of it seems to be geared to maybe, you know, their crop tops and things like that, which is not what we're going to wear. The other links I've put together are more basics that we would wear. And I struggle with Nordstrom on that front. I couldn't, you know, you can't sort it by age or anything. It seems to be Nordstrom actually does gear to a younger generation. And then of course, there's thrifting, charity shops, Goodwill. You can have so much fun. And I have in the past bought some fantastic things in charity shops. Sometimes you can get them with there's still the original label on. They're being sold totally brand new. And when I was working in the office, I really resented buying clothes for the office and spending a lot of money on them. So I relied on charity shops. I hadn't discovered Vinted at that point, but I shopped a lot in charity shops for my work clothes. And they're still fun to go around. I take a load of things in, as I said, I'm doing a declutter, some of it goes to charity. I can't stop myself from actually having a look at the rail and seeing what there is, because sometimes there really is some gems. Do have a look at iRESTORE if you have got or know anybody else with hair challenges. The details be in my description box. And if you want to know my take on how we should be wearing summer dresses this summer, I've got a fantastic video ready for you here.